Hi, I'm Megan. You're about to discover a breakthrough way to get great tasting, clean drinking water and save an incredible 2,000%. Perhaps you already have a water filtration system at home, or you believe your home's tap water is perfectly healthy to drink, or even get bottled water delivered to your home. No matter the way, I'll promise you this. Just by watching this short presentation, you'll know more about saving money on drinking water than most Americans. First, let's look at how bottled water became so expensive and expose some dirty little industry secrets. For years, the big bottling companies never had to disclose where they got their water. The reason why is simple. Bottled water companies use public water sources for their product. Bottlers tell you their water comes from springs, but in reality, they get their water from municipal sources. Their marketing campaigns trick the public into thinking the water is from some pure, clean source when it's just plain old tap water. Consider this. A gallon of bottled water is 2,000% more expensive than tap water, and twice as expensive as a gallon of gas. Keep watching. This next fact will blow your mind. Depending on where you're living, water from your tap could be running through pipes that predate World War I. Flowing through those corroded pipes, water can pick up harmful toxins like lead, bacteria, viruses, and copper. Not to mention the chlorine, fluoride, and pharmaceuticals found in water to begin with. This problem exists all across the country, from Flint, Michigan to Jacksonville, Florida, New York, Ohio, and places in between. In fact, scientific research indicates that as many as 19 million Americans may become ill each year due to the parasites, viruses, and bacteria in drinking water alone. Now let's talk about water filters. Do they really do a good job keeping your water clean? Most water filters can help remove some elements from your water, but miss the most dangerous ones. They aren't even certified to filter out lead, bacteria, viruses, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, or fluoride. So the question is, how can I still filter my tap water, make it taste good, and save loads of money? Imagine having 110% confidence you could draw water from a lake, stream, well, and yes, your tap, and get clean, healthy, clear drinking water for a fraction of what you'd spend on bottled water. Introducing the Alexapure Pro. Here's what makes the Alexapure Pro uniquely effective. The Alexapure Pro is a countertop water purification system that uses gravity to eliminate 99.9999% of harmful lead, heavy metals, and other poisonous chemicals. The filter, a patented, rigorous, independently tested process, giving you the cleanest water. Our proprietary catalytic gravity block features zeolite ion absorption technology, which forms a protective barrier, eliminating contaminants from your water. And your Alexapure Pro filters out 99.9999% of these dangerous contaminants: lead, viruses, heavy metals, chlorine, bacteria, and volatile organic compounds. The flow rate from the Alexapure Pro is quick, starts within minutes. Just fill the Alexapure Pro with any non-salt water into our generous 2¼ gallon upper reservoir, and gravity does the rest. The Alexapure Pro filters up to 5,000 gallons of drinking water. The filters are simple to install. It's the most hassle-free, pure water system imaginable. Now, you might be wondering about the price of the Alexapure Pro. Think about what it's costing you not having the Alexapure Pro. As you've discovered, you'll either get fleeced buying bottled water or risk contamination from your tap water. Normally, you'd pay over $1,000 for a whole house water filtration system, but you won't pay close to that. Start drinking clean, healthy, safe water today while saving money. Order your Alexapure Pro today.